Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into one of the most unexpected yet thrilling comebacks in the automotive world, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz X-Class Pickup Truck. That's right, Mercedes has returned to the pickup game. And this time they're going all in with a truck that blends rugged utility, luxury, and futuristic technology in one stunning package. So buckle up, because this 2026 X-Class is not just another pickup. It's a bold statement from Mercedes that they can do toughness and elegance better than anyone else. When you first lay eyes on the 2026 Mercedes-Benz X-Class, it's clear this is no ordinary truck. The exterior has been completely redesigned from the ground up, and it looks absolutely menacing on the road. The front fascia features a bold new Panamericana-style grille with chrome slats that stretch out into aggressive LED headlamps. The headlights have a sleek, angular design inspired by the latest S-Class, giving it that signature Mercedes sophistication while still maintaining a muscular presence. The body lines are sharper, the stance is wider, and the sculpted hood gives it that ready-for-anything attitude. Down the sides, the X-Class shows off its premium pickup personality with flared wheel arches and massive 21-inch alloy wheels. There's a perfect mix of toughness and luxury. You can imagine this truck rolling through city streets or tackling mountain terrain with equal confidence. The rear is just as impressive, featuring a bold tailgate with an illuminated Mercedes emblem, sleek LED taillights, and a robust steel bumper designed for practicality. The bed is wider and deeper, with a built-in power outlet and modular storage system. Perfect for work, adventure, or just showing off. Step inside, and the 2026 X-Class takes luxury pickups to a new level. Mercedes didn't just give this truck a nice interior, they gave it an interior worthy of an S-Class. The cabin is wrapped in the finest Napa leather with hand-stitched detailing, brushed aluminum trims, and real open-pore wood across the dashboard. The seats are both ventilated and heated, with multi-contour massage functions that make even the longest drives feel first-class. Front and center is Mercedes' latest MBUX infotainment system with a massive 14.4-inch OLED touchscreen, seamlessly connected to a fully digital driver display. The system supports voice control, augmented reality navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and even a virtual assistant that learns your driving habits. The ambient lighting system now offers 64 color options, allowing you to set the perfect mood for every drive, from off-road adventure to nighttime city cruising. The rear cabin isn't forgotten either. Passengers get ample legroom, climate control vents, USB-C ports, and even a panoramic sunroof overhead that gives a feeling of openness and comfort. Mercedes clearly wanted this truck to offer the same level of refinement as its top-tier sedans, and they've nailed it. Now let's talk about performance, because a pickup this bold needs power to match. Under the hood, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz X-Class offers multiple engine options. The base model features a 2.9-liter inline-six turbo diesel producing around 330 horsepower and 516 lb-ft of torque, while the range-topping AMG variant brings the heat with a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, pushing out an estimated 500 horsepower and 600 lb-ft of torque. These engines are paired with Mercedes' advanced 9-speed automatic transmission and the latest 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system, giving you seamless control on any terrain. The truck also features adaptive air suspension that automatically adjusts ride height depending on the driving mode. Comfort, sport, off-road, or tow. Whether you're cruising down the highway or climbing rocky trails, the X-Class delivers a smooth, composed, and confident ride. The steering feels responsive, the throttle is sharp, and the sound from that V8 AMG variant, pure music for car lovers. Off-road capability has also been seriously upgraded. The X-Class comes equipped with locking differentials, hill descent control, and a low-range gearbox. Ground clearance is up to 11 inches, and with approach and departure angles improved over the previous generation. This truck isn't just about looks, it's built to conquer real challenges. Safety and technology are another area where the 2026 X-Class shines. It includes Mercedes' full suite of driver assistance systems, like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree camera, and an updated version of the pre-safe system that can detect potential collisions earlier and prepare the vehicle accordingly. There's even a new trailer assist mode that makes towing easier than ever by automatically controlling the steering while you reverse with a trailer attached. In terms of pricing, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz X-Class is expected to start around $65,000 for the base diesel model and climb up to roughly $95,000 for the fully loaded AMG version. While that's certainly on the higher end for pickups, Mercedes isn't targeting the typical work truck buyer. This is a premium lifestyle pickup designed for those who want both luxury and performance in one bold package. So, what's the verdict? The 2026 Mercedes-Benz X-Class is back stronger, smarter, and more luxurious than ever before. It's not just a pickup truck. It's a statement of style, power, and innovation. From its stunning design to its plush interior, from cutting-edge tech to thrilling performance, this is a truck that redefines what luxury utility truly means. Whether you're hauling gear, towing a boat, or cruising downtown, the X-Class makes sure you do it in absolute comfort and class. And that's it for today's review. What do you think of the all-new 2026 Mercedes-Benz X-Class pickup truck? Is it the perfect blend of muscle and luxury? Or do you think it's too refined for a pickup? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more amazing car reviews and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned because the future of trucks just got a serious dose of luxury.